How to log into your Dayforce account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log in or sign into your Dayforce account. So to do that, first of all, go to either your Play Store or your App Store, depending upon your mobile device, and then download the Dayforce app. Now, once you've downloaded the app, it'll look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on it to open it. After that, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you can see the login option, which will be on the bottom side of your screen. Simply tap on it. After that, you'll have to first of all enter your company ID. Now, if you don't know your company ID, you'll have to basically tap on the option I don't know my company ID, and then it'll show you what a company ID is. So basically, company IDs are unique to each organization and are used to identify which organization you work for. Contact your manager or system administrator if you do not know what this is. So basically, in order to log into your Dayforce app, you will need a company ID. So to do that, just basically go to your workplace or wherever you work and simply ask for the manager or system administrator to provide you their company ID. Now, once you've done that, you'll have to fill out a certain detail that is unique to you and not any other employee. And once you've done that, you'll have basically logged in or signed into your Dayforce account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.